Okay, so here's what your poncho should look like after your poncho, if you're knitting a large should look like. And hold on 1 minute. I'm going to say the measurements again for you. Not the measurements, the stitches. I'm sorry, I cannot talk today. I am just like exhausted, and it was so hot in the place where I was. It was so hot in Concord today because I was doing some volunteer work. And okay, so for the small, I'm repeating myself again. For the small, you are to wait. For the small, you are to have 32 for the 2 stitches. For the medium, you're to 38, and then if you're knitting the large like I am, you are to have 44 stitches. So hold on a minute. And I've already knitted it. Knitted the row across. So if you didn't get that part, after you've increased to your size, you are to knit the last row before you decrease. So what we're going to do is we are now going to decrease. What we're going to do first is we are going to slip 2 stitches like that, and then we put them back on the needle like this, and then we knit them. Darn it, sorry, excuse my language. We slip the 2 stitches, and then we put them back on the needle. And then we knit them. Sorry, we slip this, we knit them. Sorry. We knit them together like that. Sorry, I kept getting the needle stuck on like the loops. So what we're going to do now is knit across to the last 2 stitches. And sorry if the angle looks weird. I'm trying to make it so be careful. Sorry, not to hit the camera. I hope you guys enjoy. So keep knitting. And then now what we do, once you've knitted to the last 2 stitches, we just knit them together like this. Okay, so basically all you're just going to do is Slip slip knit is when you knit, which is when you slip the stitches off the left needle, then slip them, then holding the right needle to the back, you slip the left needle in front of the right needle, and then you knit them together, and then you just knit to the end, to the last 2 stitches, and then you knit those 2 together. So you're going to keep repeating that entire process until you have 6 stitches. So thank you for watching. Bye.